The world of travel is changing fast. More and more travelers are booking their trips online, whether it's flights, hotels, or holidays. As a traditional travel agency, you might be asking yourself, how do we keep up in this digital age? Don't worry, OTA Insight is here to help you. Moving your travel agency online doesn't have to be complicated. In today's video, we will guide you through simple steps to expand your business, save time, reach more customers, and stay competitive in this fast-paced world of online travel. Let us start with the basics. Moving your business online doesn't happen overnight. But the first thing you need to do is make sure your agency is ready for the shift. Before making any big change, it's important to check 4 key areas. First, you need the mindset to operate an online travel agency. Are you ready to think and work digitally? Second, assess your OTA knowledge. Do you understand how online travel agencies work and how the industry is evolving? Third, review your organizational structure. Is your team prepared to handle online operations, or will you need to adjust your setup? Lastly, look at your experience in the travel industry. Does your team have enough travel knowledge to provide value in an online setting? Once you are confident in these areas, you are ready to move forward. The next big move is selecting the right platform. As an online travel agency, you will need a travel portal that can handle both sales and operations. But using a separate, single-purpose software tool can be inefficient and complicated. That's why we recommend using an ERP system. An ERP system integrates everything: bookings, customer service, and sales into one platform, making your agency more organized and efficient. Without an ERP, you will spend too much time jumping between systems, risking errors and delays. By choosing an all-in-one platform, you will streamline your operations and be able to focus on growing your business. Now that you have got your platform, it's time to make sure travelers can find you. This is where digital marketing comes in. First, use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to share travel tips, exciting offers, and customer reviews. This will help you build an online presence and attract new travelers. Next, consider Google Ads. With Google Ads, you can target people who are searching for travel deals, helping bring more traffic to your site and increase your bookings. And finally, don't forget about SEO. Make sure your website uses the right keywords and is optimized for speed, so it ranks higher in Google search and it's easy to find. With these marketing strategies, you'll be able to reach more customers and keep them coming back. Now, let's talk about budgeting. Moving your agency online requires more than just a good mindset. It needs financial resources. You will need to budget for building your platform, investing in marketing, and maintaining great customer support. Think about the cost for software, digital marketing campaigns, and even hiring extra staff for customer service or online bookings. Without careful budgeting, it can be difficult to manage all these aspects. By planning your finances properly, you can ensure a smooth transition and see the benefits of reducing costs and increasing revenue. This is the magic of moving your business online. It's a game changer. By following these simple steps, evaluating your readiness, choosing the right platform, using smart marketing, and budgeting carefully, you will be able to open your business to more customers and greater opportunities. Now it's time to embrace the future of travel. It's not about losing the personal touch that makes your agency unique. It's about combining your expertise with online tools to grow your business in ways that you have never imagined. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights on how to grow your travel business online. And don't forget to check out our previous videos to learn more about becoming a successful online travel agency. Remember, we are your roadmap for online travel success.